Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money in cTrader. The first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and log in to your cTrader panel. And then what I need you to do is here on the left hand panel, click on deposit. So it'll open up this pop-up. Make sure you're in the deposit section. Choose the account you want to deposit in. You'll see your current balance. And then just enter the amount you want to deposit. So for example, this one is a demo account. So all I need to do is just enter the amount I want to deposit, let's say 1,000 euros. Then you click on deposit. And as you can see, it has been deposited to our account. And here's our new balance. Now, if you had a live account, you just click on deposit and then you go ahead and enter your payment method. And then you can make that deposit after you process the transaction. But otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.